In this video, I'll show you how to enable ATM withdrawal on the Revolut app. If you find this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account by using the affiliate link in the description below. When you enable ATM withdrawal on Revolut, it allows you to access cash from ATMs worldwide, even when traveling. It provides convenience and flexibility in managing your finances. To get started, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the profile icon, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the Security section and click on it. This will take you to the Security Settings page where you can manage various security features for your account. On the Security page, look for the option labeled Card Security and click on it to proceed. This will bring you to a new page dedicated to managing your card's security features. Once you're on the card security page, scroll down slightly and you will find a setting called ATM Withdrawals. This option controls whether you can use your Revolut card at ATMs for cash withdrawals. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to ATM Withdrawals to the on position. Once you've done this, your card will be ready for ATM withdrawals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also remember, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.